We stepped out from the Grand Hotel, cobblestone mornings, all is well. Hearts awake, the day's begun, Old Town shining in the sun. Past Frauentorturm's ancient face, a gateway to this timeless place. Stone and ivy, echoes near, centuries still ringing clear. A midday stop, our spirits high at Burger Heart beneath the sky. Clinking beers and kids with fries, simple joy that never lies. St. Lorenz rises, bold and bright, windows blazing, colored light. We whisper low in silent awe, each arch and spire leaves us raw. Winding through Nuremberg's charm, hand in hand, heart to arm. From castles high to rivers wide, we walk together side by side. History in every stone, this old town feels like home. We crossed the Pegnitz, watched it flow, reflections dancing soft and slow. A moment's pause, a family smile, then up the hill, the extra mile. The imperial castle called us near, with windy walls and view so clear. We stood where emperors once did roam, the sky above, the past our own. The Jug and Herberg, quiet and still, nestled just beyond the hill. A youth once traveled, now grown and free, seeing all through family. At Schönerbrunn in gold and grand, we turned the ring with careful hand, made a wish and laughed out loud in the middle of a passing crowd. Then Frauentorch fell so near, time stood still for us to hear. Faith and beauty carved and worn through every age, forever mine. Safer and run, winding back the way we came, each place lit like a flame. From castles heights to rivers wide, we walk together side by side. Back to the Grand as day grows old, with stories gathered, hearts console. The streets may sleep, the lights may dim, but the journey's now a part of them. Through Nuremberg, soul hand in hand, do rock together, side by side. Back to the Grand as day grows old, with stories gathered, hearts consoled. The streets may sleep, the lights may dim, but the journey's now a part of them. Through Nuremberg, soul hand in hand, and now we're back at the Grand.